back to my channel. So today is baking day. So it's Friday and I will be baking oatmeal cookies. I haven't baked them in a while, so I can't wait. So they're Betty Crocker. So what I do is I usually buy like Betty Crocker cookie mix, brownie mix, cake mix. So then I don't actually do it all. Like, it's basically I'm baking pre-made cookies, which actually it's just the dough, but I'm making it into the dough, but whatever. So I'm making Betty Crocker oatmeal cookies today, and what I'll need is a medium-sized bowl. This is a larger medium-sized bowl. 1 stick of butter. So Nathaniel and I don't actually buy like the full sticks of butter. We buy the half. Hold on, if it'll focus. Which, there we go. So we buy Land O'Lake half ones. So I'll use 2 of those to make 1 full stick. And the egg. And 1 egg. From our chickens. So when I bake, I usually do use our eggs that we have because we get them for free and we don't have to buy them. Nathaniel said one time that when he got his haircut, that the lady said she spent $11 on eggs, which is ridiculous. But I don't have to pay anything because I get mine for free. But I have been selling them because we've been getting so many eggs that we've been selling them. And also 1 tablespoon. I love this. It has 1 tablespoon, a half, 1 teaspoon, and a half a teaspoon. And then I have another one that has more, like 1/3, 1/4. But you only need 1 tablespoon. It says it on there. 1 tablespoon of water. Okay. Also, the oven is preheating to 350. I have already got the pan set up. So I have this silicone baking mat that I just got. So the cookies won't stick to it. And also, I don't have to grease the pan, which I didn't have to grease it anyway because of the butter in the cookies. But with this, the bottom of the cookies are going to be actually like a light brown and not like almost black because of the fact. Not saying that my cookies are black at the bottom, okay? They're not. They are fully cooked. It's just they're darker caramel brown on the bottom than I like. Also, if you're hearing noises, it's the dogs playing. Okay, now it's time to open it. Also, I will have all the list of ingredients on the screen too, so don't. This thing says to tear it, but I just think it's sometimes easier to just cut it open. Okay. Also, I use my hands too. I use my hands with this because this one, it's actually like, it's oatmeal and it's harder for the butter and the batter and all that stuff to get it all incorporated, so I use my hands. Throw this away. Okay. Now, I'm going to put, they're still a little cold, so I'm going to unwrap them and I'm going to put them on a paper plate and put them in the microwave for a little bit, which all microwaves probably have this, but one thing about it, my microwave that I love is the soften, where you can soften different things. Like different numbers have different things, but I use it to soften butter a lot. I mean, yeah, this is room. I mean, I did get it out of the fridge just a while ago, but it's actually pretty soft. But I'm just gonna soften it a little bit more. So I'm gonna go over here, put it in the microwave, hit soften, and it says enter food. Number 1 is butter. Amount is 1 stick, which is number 2. And start. Which, it does it for a minute, but I just like, I'm going to cook them for 12 minutes. I just had to look. Maybe I got a paper cup. Well, while that's softening, I'll put the egg in. Oh, okay. It wasn't a shell. Thought it was. The shell just broke, like. One thing about it is the shells do break easily. Okay, gotta get a paper towel because that's gross. Okay. Okay. The oven has preheated. The butter is softened. And now for the 1 thing of water. And whoop. Then put that over there. Okay. First I am going to use my silicone thing. And then I'll use my hands. I was gonna do the whisk, but with my whisk, it does it. For some reason, I just whoops. It just doesn't do what I want it to do. Like when I use my whisk, the batter all gets stuck into the thing, and then I have to like hit it on the bowl a couple of times, and I just don't like doing that. Also, our egg yolks are quite yellow. I noticed that fresh eggs, when you have fresh eggs, the yolks are like more yellowy than what you get at a like grocery store. Which, don't get me wrong, yolks are still yellow. But when you get fresh eggs, they're more yellow, I noticed. I'm super excited about these cookies. So like I said in a previous video, I will be doing more baking videos, and those videos will be on Fridays. I will be filming and posting them on Fridays. So check those out. There's already a few up. That I have up that are baking. Like, I think it's just one though that I baked brownies. But I'm going to finish this up and then come back, and by that time the batter should be done enough where I can start putting them on the pan. Okay, so nobody saw that. Be right back. Okay, now I'm just finishing up the last few. So I'm gonna pop these into the oven and cook them for bake them for 13 minutes. No, 12. Because it said 11 to 12 minutes. 11 to 13 minutes. So I'll do 12 to make sure that they're okay. I always do like 1 minute over the time that it's recommended. Okay. They all fit. I'm surprised. Okay. Okay. Now, just put that over in the sink. They're all done. Now I'm just gonna pop them into the oven after I wipe my hands because they have oatmeal all over them. Which, then again, it's okay because oatmeal, good for the skin. Also, I have a question. I have a question that you guys can answer in the comments down below. Is it okay to give your dogs raw eggs? I don't know the answer to that, so that's why I'm asking. Is it okay to give your dogs raw eggs? If so, okay then. Because I'm just asking because my dog Sophia likes to find the chickens' eggs that are outside. Like, not like if one of the chickens lays an egg outside the coop, she finds it and she eats it, and she seems fine. But I'm just asking, is it okay to give your dogs raw eggs? Because I was gonna give Sophia some and Ellie one of these, like some of them, but I didn't know if I could give it to them raw or I'll just wait till they get baked, because I do know for a fact that dogs can have oatmeal. They can. Because there's no chocolate in this. So I might give a piece to Ellie and Sophia. But if you do know the answer, can you give your dogs raw eggs, like uncooked? Please let me know in the comments down below. Okay, I'm gonna pop these into the oven and then I'll come back once they're done and I will show you guys them finished. So, be right back. Okay, welcome back. So I just took them out the oven and they're perfect. So that's all that I have for today. So please don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to comment, and also please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.